going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. This video is totally random, but someone requested it, so I'm like, yo, why not? I'm definitely gonna do it. So you guys definitely wanted to check out Tekashi 6ix9ine, and no, he doesn't have dreadlocks. Maybe this channel isn't just about dreadlocks. So we're gonna check out his hair, figure out why he got his hair like that, some backstory, and then some insight on what he did to get his hair this way. So first and foremost, his hair is dyed like the rainbow. As you guys see, he has a bunch of face tattoos. He has the guy from, what's that movie called? He has like the Saw doll right here with the same tattoos on his face, so maybe he represents that man. Maybe from that movie it's so like vivid. Maybe that is him showing expressions of his hair. Maybe not. Let's just go deeper and figure out what is the deal is, because like he's super colorful. It looks like he has Skittles in his teeth. If you look at his hair, I know Knotlocks did a video on this and he said that he kind of has like a Skittles hairstyle, and it's very true, very colorful. Not exactly sure, but this definitely makes him stand out. A lot of people do this. Look at Lil Uzi Vert, face tattoos, hair dyed. Look at Lil Pump, face tattoos, hair dyed. Look at Boom Gang, face tattoos, hair dyed. This is the method that people do to become famous. If you want to become famous, if you want to get that quick fame, get face tattoos and dye your hair. This is the easiest. No, I'm not gonna. It's not worth it. Dyeing your hair is one thing, because you can just wash it out, cut your hair, do whatever. But face tattoos are gonna last forever unless you get them removed and there's still like pigmentation. I don't know, it's something with the pigment. This is a hairstyle he chose. He does braid his hair often, and it's pretty cool, I guess, because like nobody really does this. Looking at some of these photos, his hair is really curly, mostly from the braids that he always gets in his hair. It's really interesting. This dude's popping off right out of nowhere, and it's kind of how everyone is. Like XXX popped up out of nowhere, Lil Uzi Vert popped up out of nowhere. All these people popped up out of nowhere just because of them kind of not necessarily changing the game, but being different than everybody else in the game. And that's just kind of how it is. If you're different and you're very distinct and you're very unique with your style, this is kind of how it looks. And this dude has 6ix9ine literally painted all over him. Not painted, but tattooed all over him. All over his fingers, all over his arms, all over his chest, all on his neck. And that's crazy. I don't even know what it means. I don't know. You guys can comment down below, enlighten me on what 6ix9ine means to him. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out in the comment section. Comment down below if you do know. It's gonna be pretty interesting. But I'm also gonna take a look at Knotlocks' video, see what he said about this thing, and then kind of get to the bottom of this, figure it out, so we can all be on the same page.
He is a rapper, SoundCloud rapper, with a wild style, I must say. The dude has 69 tattooed on his body over 200 times, and he looks like it's straight out of a Skittles package. He's rocking his own style, that's for sure. And the braids,
that's crazy.
He got the long hair.
I think it's better as braids, to tell you the truth.
I'm not a huge fan of the whole like rainbow. It's quite insane what we have to go through.
I kind of agree with Knotlocks on him being unique and everything like that. Knotlocks said it would be cool if he got dreads. That's one thing I disagree on. When it comes to people with straight hair, it's like, man, if you have straight hair, if you have wavy hair, just stick with your hair. Like, do a comb over, do a Brooklyn, do a South of France or something nice. You can have a nice hairstyle without dreadlocks. Me personally, if I had straight hair, I would just have straight hair. But that's pretty much Tekashi. There's not really much to talk about. I know you guys wanted me to do a review on it, so I definitely wanted to provide it for you guys, make it interesting for you, get Knotlocks out of it. I thought it'd be interesting. I haven't watched that video till today, so it was really cool to see his side of everything. But also go check out Knotlocks, since I plugged in a little pop tag for you guys. Also subscribe if you guys haven't already. If you guys did enjoy the video, like the video, become a part of Ammunition, and if you're not, like I said, subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.